Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you some stuff that I have decluttered. I came home today, it's about 5:35. I just got home from work and I'm in the mood to get rid of some of my shiz. And so I'm going to take you guys along with me. So first place I'm going to start with is I have a lot of mess right in front of me. I have a lot of mess around me on the floor. So I'm just going to start with my drawers. I'm going to start with my 2 drawers at my desk and we're going to go from there. So come on with me. Here is my palettes are all right here. I've got all my makeup right here, and the only thing in the back now, nothing, is my envelope back there. It's a poly envelope for my receipts for my health savings card. That's it. So I'm very happy with this drawer. Not sure what I'm going to put here yet, but I have this whole thing to go through. Yikes. Okay, this is a hot mess. These are things that I carry with me very often. These are papers of things that I need to do. This is my general notebook. These are my headphones, and then I have a little container of like hair ties and stuff like that. Cables that I use often. The charger that I keep to travel with my laptop. This is my kind of drawer full of things that need to, like, something needs to happen. So like sometimes I put bills in here, and then like once or twice a week I'll take this whole thing out and do something with it. I've got pens. I have these little tack things that go with my map over there. And then I have this box back here is all of my electronic stuff, and then this little thing has a stamp for return addresses, and then my scissors. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied over here. I just changed a little bit. I moved some stuff over so that I could put my big thing here. This has got all of my external hard drives, SD cards, extra battery, all that stuff. And then this is the case for the camera that is right there. Now, I don't want to show this to you. Now let's deal with this. No, that's not my current passport. This is my old one. You can see it's stamped. So let's do this now. Okay. Okay, so all of this stuff I just need to put away. So This right here I need to put in my nightstand because I want to read this book, and then this is my Kindle. I need to throw this away. These things I'm repurposing or using, like these magnets I'm going to use on my fridge. This I'm going to repurpose somewhere else. This is obviously trash. I don't know what I'm going to do with my Mickey. I might leave him here for right now because I really do like the Mickey. So anyway, this I'm going to repurpose. This is like trash and stuff. So let me show you what I got rid of. Here is my little mini collection of decluttering things. So I am going to get rid of my dry erase board. I just don't find that I use it, and it just seems like a waste. So with that, I'm going to give away my dry erase markers and my eraser. These things right here I'm going to give away. I bought these in California and I just don't eat them. They're really good, but I just go on kicks with chocolate, and right now I'm not on a kick, and I'd rather have them go to somewhere else. This I'm getting rid of. I'm actually going to take this to work or put it in my car because I've had this in my drawer for a really long time and I just never use it. I'm getting rid of these. These are some really old pills. I'm getting rid of this because the end of it does not work for my laptop anymore, or my phone anymore. Dry erase things. This is a Christy Brinkley thing I got. I'm going to get rid of that. This is a Milani palette I'm going to get rid of. This is a Pixie blush I'm going to get rid of that I just don't grab. And then this is something, a little card holder I got from the Container Store. And then like 2 eyeliners and a mascara. So this is a nice little purge for just a Thursday afternoon. So I'm going to come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so I rearranged my monitor a little bit and just rearranged some of the stuff, put some of the stuff away, and pretty happy with what I've done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini declutter with me, and if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit like if you liked this video. Let me know if this was motivating for you to get rid of some stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.